contact. Hindi mo kami nakikita na madalas, but anything important that happens in her life, she makes sure I am in the loop. Nag-uusap kami, lalo na tungkol kay Bimb. Kasi I'm the self-appointed guardian of Bimb. So I was there, February 14, I had a meal with Chris, gained some weight, praying that tuloy-tuloy na, she gets better. And wala kaming formal. May nagtanong kasi sa akin, do you have formal conversations, Chris, about doing a possible, like a podcast or... I am open. I hope I'm allowed by my contract, but I look forward to doing materials with her. Pero palagay ko, priority should be health.
Yeah. But she's still naman. Still
Yeah, a
herself,
lot
but
stronger.
yeah.
A lot stronger. A lot stronger. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, hindi namin napag-usapan yung weight niya. Kasi I saw Chris at 82, ha? Sa Amerika, nung dinalaw ko, I saw her at 82 pounds. Tama ba yun?
Yeah.
And then, there was a time she sent me a text message saying that her weight has gone up to 114. Diba? So,
Thanks for sharing.
pero meron pa rin siyang yung sobrang pula, yung mga
Yeah.
rashes. Oo. Kasi pag nag-uumpisa na siya, when she starts explaining to me,
The medical.
the medical, hindi ko talaga naiintindihan. Oo. Yung madalas na sinasabi, I will just text to you, but I know you will not even understand. But so you know. I know, I hear the word lupus is something that they're managing. So, oo. But I hope she really gets better.
Yeah. Thank you, Tito.
Pero dito ba yung sinabi ni Chris para kay yung sinabi niya na she wants to entrust si Bim sa isang tao na talagang close sa kanya. Ikaw kaya yung tutulong niya?
Kung ako man, tinatanggap ko. Kung hindi man ako, tutulong ako. Galing naman ang sagot na yun. No, I'm very settled. Pinuri. I'm very settled about my relationship with Chris. Hindi na kami mga bagets nung 30 years ago. Siya ang nagsabi, alam mo boy, kung bibilangin mo, we've been together for over... Remember, Chris was married in my house.
Yeah.
So, ang daming stages ng aming relasyon. Was it always smooth sailing? Of course. I mean, with two mercurial personalities, di ba? If somebody takes care, I'm really fine. But I will not be absent in the life of the boy. I adore, I love him.
Last question.
And Josh. Yeah.
Last question, Mepa. Established ka na, Tito Boy, no, talagang one of the pillars na talaga sa industry. Is there anything na gustong pang gawin? Aside from hosting?
I want to be able to set up a school. Right now, meron akong tinatawag na House of Hosts. It's a community of young hosts. They do, members of the group do weddings, birthdays. Some they do beauty pageants, etc. So, meron na ako ngayon academic syllabus on public speaking, which I co-wrote with Dean Leo Munalin. Used to be the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences of the Philippine Women's University, but right now, he is the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences of San Jose, Recoletos in Cebu. So handa na ako for the first time, kasi dati mga handbooks lang alam mo yung sinusulat ko lang, etc. But now, I have a syllabus. So, pangarap ko yun. Alam mo sa, yung maliliit lang na bahay where you can give classes. Ryan, Carlos, and I have been talking about this. We would like to explore the possibility of being able to put, a small training center, school together where he handles he handles acting and I can handle communications and public speaking.
Parang kay Ricky Lee na very...
Yeah, pero I don't have the compassion of Ricky. No, hindi. Gusto ko siya na bahay niya, pinakakain. Totoo. I bow. I bow to his brilliance. I bow to his humanity, di ba? Oo. Ako right now, yung House of Hosts, ganon. Ginagaya namin si Ricky na kami muna ang nagbabayad, kami muna ang nagpapakain, kami muna ang kung anong mga pangangailangan. But eventually, I want to do business. I'd like to be able to put para sustainable. Para sustainable.
Hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ka din. Pero when
big issues like yung kay Alvin,
Mm.
parang explodes, parang ang daming sentiment sa social media na